Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this hyper realistic eye sketch. It is an inspired drawing, so I took the original picture and with the measurements, I am drawing this grid. First of all, to draw the pupil area, I am using 8B pencil because it is one of the most darkest pencils, and I am using art line pencils. Now shading the eyeball area with 2B pencil and blending it with the help of a brush so that it doesn't leave any harsh lines. Now I have again used the 8B pencil and darkening, drawing some lines around the pupil to give it a realistic effect. Now I am blending everything again together with the help of a brush. Now using a mechanical eraser, I am just highlighting all the parts I want to make look realistic and reflective. And now again I am using a gel pen, a white gel pen, to give the detailings. I always use the 0.560 mm mechanical pencil leaves. These are so dark, just like egg pencils, and I am darkening all the eyelashes. Now here I have used 6B pencil. I'm again darkening the eyelashes and make it look broad with the help of 8B pencil. Shading the inner part of the eyes with the help of 3B pencil. Now to give a hollow shadow effect, I am using 6B pencil on the corners. Again, by using mechanical lead, I am drawing these blood vessels. Now for the detailed highlighting, I am using again this white gel pen and then darkening the borders with the 8B pencils. Filling all the sparse areas of the upper eyelid with small hairs. Shading the upper eyelid area with the help of a 4B pencil. Now to give it a realistic effect, I am using 6B pencil. To make it look textured, I am drawing these lines with the help of 6B pencils and I am not gonna blend it with the help of the brushes. Covering the upper eyelid area with small white dots to make it look textured. And now I am drawing some small lines with the help of the mechanical pencil. Now for the lower eyelid, I am again using 4B pencil and then I'll blend it with the help of a brush. I'm darkening all the lower eyelashes with the help of 8B pencils. With the help of the mechanical erasers, I am just detailing out the eyelashes. Doing the highlights with the white gel pen. Once again, just like the upper eyelid area, I am using this mechanical eraser just to draw some curved lines. And also with the help of the mechanical pencil, I am just drawing some textured lines. Now for the outline area, I am using 3B pencil. Drawing some lines with the help of the 6B pencil and blending out, just detailing a droplet which is coming from the eye and darkening the outer area to give it more realistic effect. this is finally the outcome of my hyper realistic eye sketch. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give it a like button. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.